Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to connect Reebok Sports Smartwatch with your Android phone. So to power on your smartwatch, just hold the top button for a few seconds, and it will ask you to select language. Go to select your language, and then it will ask you to connect to Reebok watch app, for which we're just gonna open up our Android phone, go to the Play Store and search for Reebok Connect and just install it. Once it's installed, let's just put that on the main screen here. So it's easy. So for what I do usually is, before opening the app, I just go into the app info. To go to the app info, just hold on to the app and click on the information icon on the top right, and here go to the permissions, and then you can give permissions. So phone, yes. Nearby devices, allow. Notifications, allow all notifications. Microphone, only while using the app. Location, yes, allow all the time, because it is a smartwatch and it will need your GPS location for workout or other, for navigation app as well. And contacts, we can also allow. Health connect, yes. All right, so the second thing you need to do is go in your top settings and enable Bluetooth. See, we just enable double Bluetooth and just open up the app. It will ask you to log in with your Google, Apple or email. I already have it with Google, so let me just do it quickly with Google off screen. Alright, after continuing with the Google, it's asking me to set up my watch. I will say yes, I have my watch ready. It says press the top right button on your, we already turned our watch on, and then it will select our watch from here. Just gonna, as you can see, it is showing the watch Reebok Pulse smartwatch. Here we just click on it, and then we just ask allow. Okay, now it's asking permission on my watch, for which I click OK, and it says pairing successful. Allow access to contacts, yes, because you can make your calls through your watch, so you have to say yes, allow, and we just click yes, and we're done. So there you go, our watch is now connected with the application. You can see it's showing how much battery percentage I have, and you can just click on the refresh icon to refresh and synchronize again. Here you can select your time, date format, your preference of the units, kilometers, miles, Celsius or Fahrenheit. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you have any trouble connecting your smartwatch to your phone, do let me know in the comments, and I will try to pinpoint the exact problem and correct it. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave your comments or suggestion in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.